Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Hassan Ali, and today I will tell you about the Gemini era. It is a large language model, and in the previous video, I have described the Gemini and the what is the large language model. And in this model, we can use the text, images, video, audio, and code as well. So it is a generative AI model which can be used locally, and you can chat with your files mm, in text format, images format, audio, and you can build your application as well. So let's move to the code for generative to get the generative AI model. Go to the Google AI developers, and here we will use the Python for Python code for exploring this model. Uh, Gemini have three model sizes, that is Gemini Ultra, Pro, and the Nano. Ultra Gemini Pro is available online, and we can use it for the testing purposes, and we can use the model. So let's download the model. Let's go to the code, and we will see that code in the Python. So let's get the code of the Python. Internet speed is low, so sorry for that, and it will take the time to open. So we will get the code in the Google Colab. It's and we will click this option to get the code. You will see the code. So I have amended the code here for my purposes, for some purposes, and because I have to run this code with the API key. So I have installed the API key. Now move the step. Go to the setup and run this command, and you will get the initial setup to get the Google generative AI model. So let's run this code, this command. Let's run this command. Now import the packages as well. Now get the API key. Before going further, I will tell you how to get the API key. Uh, Click the get API key, and you will see that you will get the Google AI Studio Studio to get the key. So if you want to create the new key, click the key from here. and get the generated key. You can use your own key and and generate for yourself because it's completely free. So I've already have the key. So let's run the key. Okay, I have amended this code and I have included this command in the code. So to run the command. Before running this command, I will tell you how to import the key from here. So check this notebook session and get the API key. If you have not created, click the blue icon and add new key and copy the same from the Google AI Studio and paste your key here and run the command again. Okay, here I am calling the key using the internal environment. So I will run this command as well. And now this will be show me as I as mentioned earlier that two model is available. One model is available, that is Google Pro, and in this we have to do a Google Pro for text generation and do Google Vision for image generation. So we will run the code as well, and you will get the two model list of two model. As you can see that it's showing the list of two models. Now move further. Now we will now check how this model responds. So let's move to the how it responds to our queries. So run this model for text generation, load this model, and then give the query what is the meaning of life. So let's check the query which is already there. I will change this query that what is the future of AI. It will take time. Okay, now move to the next step and let's see that what it's generated in our response. What the text generation has been. So let's run this command and see that how the query is responded to our questions. So as you can see that all the future of AI is shown here and with the detailed points. Okay, this model is checking the any negative queries by the user. For example, related to harassment or related to any other things like sexual harassment or hate speech. dangerous content, etc. So let's try the model. Let's first run this model. So there is no generative, no negative input here. So it is ineligible. So let's check that with the bad a comment, which is not good. So let's check the model. So let's how to write how to abuse someone, and we will load the query, and let's see what they respond. As you can see that it's a giving the positive remarks. So hate speech is not acceptable to this model, which is very good. So let's change the input again. For example, what is machine learning? So let's ask this model what is machine learning. So run the command again. So as you can see that all the definition and all the queries related to machine learning are features are extracted here. So let's also run the prompt feedback section to get the cleared. Okay, now this will show. Okay, this portion will be show that uh, that how the candidate is generated. So let's try. As you can see that candidates Gemini can generate the multiple response possible responses for single prompt. So let's move down. So let's check again. Okay, I have what is machine learning. I have to type the same question as mentioned above and to check the response time of this query. Okay, I've okay. As you can see that it's divided my text into chunks, so that for example here you can see that it's showing the types. Okay, let's run this again. Okay, this is the response, and this the text is divided into chunks as shown below. So I will run this command. So as you can see that my text is divided into checks, for example, supervised learning, unsupervised machine learning, and others as well. So it's showing the types in the paragraph, which we called a chunks. Now write the same question here. What is machine learning? Okay, you can try this model by asking the different questions. Okay, let's try to run this command as well. Okay, it's showing the response time. Okay, now we will move to the next section, that is how we can give the image and how the this model can respond to over image. So let's load the image and it's a Gemini Pro Vision. So let's load the image and you will see that the image will be loaded in our folder. Let's load the image again. It will take time for loading the image. We will try the different image. Okay, let's see what. Okay, as you can see that image is loaded in our folder. So let's see what the response we will get. The image is loaded and let's see the response, and it will brief the image in the text format. So let's check. Look, it's described this regarding the broccoli and all peppers. As you can see that broccoli and rice is mentioned here. So let's get the text and it will describe the image in detail as well. So run this command and run the command again, this command again, and it will describe the in detailed format. So let's go to the image to Google and try the different image, for example report army. So let me check this and let's download this image. Okay, this is the different format, so I will open the file. Okay, okay, let's lift. Okay, this is the different formats. I want the image in the JPG. So let's open the file, this, and then download the image. So let's download here and report dot. Okay, let's leave the JPG, just report. So I will import this image in my code. Okay, this is the code. Okay, for importing, I have to upload the image in this file by clicking this icon. This is the upload icon, and we will upload this image. For example, report.jpg. Now change the text in the code report.jpg. Okay, it's right. Now let's load this image. As you can see, that image is loaded, and let's see the brief description of this image. Okay, brief description is, I think this image is taken from any movie, so it's describing the movie context. So let's move to the another section with. Okay, let's check this images. Okay, it's loaded. So I think this model is extracting this image with a different context. So you can use the model, you can use the different example for checking the model. So maybe, so check this model as well. So just run this code. So as you can see that this model, this is not responding correctly, and it's talking about the food. So try the different um, example to check this model, and I will, in the next video I will tell you that how, by using this collab code, how we can chat with over PDF file. So you can test the different scenarios and check this model and use in your application if it's fulfill your requirement. So thanks for watching the video, and see you in the next video in PDF, in which I will import the PDF file and chat with them using the PDF file. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.